It's time now, speaking of turkey, for your Thanksgiving Day forecast. Here's meteorologist Mark Shanaberger. Good morning.
Big turkey, yeah.
I didn't mean you were a turkey. Just to clarify, I was just continuing on with the Thanksgiving Day theme.
Going to go along with it. And this morning, we continue to watch the water levels recede here along the banks of the Schuylkill River.
The lamb has been named Irene Hope. All right, time for a look at the forecast. Let's head over to Mark Shanaberger.
I heard she said it wasn't that bad. Okay, so there you have it. If you're headed out to the Folk Festival tomorrow, maybe bring that umbrella with you. But Monday looks like a very nice day. Mother Nature delivering that knockout blow to some of those cookouts this afternoon.
Nothing like a pesky bear in your hot tub, right?
I know. Looked like a nice backyard, though. The bear had, good idea, good taste.
Yeah, this heat is unbearable. Pretty strong as it moved through parts of the Lehigh Valley, Bucks, Montgomery County, but kind of fading as it moves further off to the south and the east. Through the overnight period last night, still saw a little bit of shower activity in parts of our viewing area. Right now, we're not dealing with that outside. You can see all that shower activity has made its way well off to the east. When we take a look at the satellite and radar of the northeast, we'll put this into motion. You can see that last line kind of making its last-ditch effort as it made its way through here through the overnight period. And now you can see very little cloud cover all the way back to Iowa, basically. So we have a couple of days ahead of us of very, very nice weather as high pressure builds into the region, and big improvements over what we've seen recently, even over yesterday. Yesterday it was still on the humid side. Today we're not going to deal with that humidity. A little bit on the breezy side this morning as temperatures are in the 50s, the low 50s in most locations, 52 in Stroudsburg and the Lehigh Valley, 55 right now in Reading, even some upper 40s across the northern part of our viewing area. So kind of a chillier start to the day, and it's going to be even chillier as we move through the overnight period tonight. As far as the high temperatures go for today, making it into the low and mid 70s, 73 in the Lehigh Valley, 74 in Reading and Trenton to go along with all that sunshine today. And like I mentioned, a little bit on the breezy side this morning. Maybe even in some locations as we move into the afternoon, kind of a reverse effect. We'll see those winds die down as this pressure gradient loosens up a little bit for this afternoon. So plenty of sunshine around for today. Plenty of sunshine around for the next couple of days, and you can see, like I said, you have to go all the way back to Iowa before you start to see a little bit of cloud cover in eastern Nebraska. We're going to continue to see some nice weather over the next couple of days, but as we get into Sunday, things start to change a little bit. This area of high pressure will start to make its way off to the north and the east, and as it does, we'll see an area of low pressure form off the Carolina coast. As that happens, the question mark is how quickly does it move northward and how quickly does it affect us? Some of the models hold that cloud cover and some of the shower activity off until Monday morning. There are a couple out there, though, that push it in as early as Sunday afternoon. Right now, I would lean more towards it moving in as we move into Monday morning, maybe even through the overnight period Sunday into Monday. But I think it holds off throughout the day on Sunday. So overall this weekend looking dry. Saturday looks like the better day weather-wise overall with the cloud cover increasing on Sunday. But we'll keep an eye on that situation, so stay tuned for the very latest over the next couple of days. As far as pollen index levels go for today and tomorrow in the medium-high range, your predominant pollens right now are oak, birch, and maple. For today, mostly sunny and pleasant but breezy with a high temperature of 73 degrees. And for tonight, clear and chilly with a low of 43. So a very chilly start to the day on Friday. And for the rest of the day, pleasant with plenty of sunshine. Not too bad for your Saturday either, although it will be a little bit warmer with high temperatures getting back into the 80s. As I mentioned earlier, Sunday we will see a little bit more cloud cover, especially later on in the day. High temperatures once again in the 80s. I think that rain holds off until at least Sunday night into Monday morning, but then it looks like some showers and thunderstorms for Monday and Tuesday. And speaking of balls rolling.
Yeah, we're kind of, not commenting on your eyes there.
Football tonight, yeah. Have the high black.
You don't have that on every night?
Transitions around here, they're second to none. I mean, my transitions, forget about it.
Yeah. I know. The ball is rolling.
Maybe you're having some problem with your eyeliner or something.
No, the lights are so bright on here, around here, that I decided to use a little eye black up there, and it's actually working very nicely. No, this is because big ticket tonight.
It's your
salute.
salute.
And I promised Troy, and he was very upset, and it's like Christmas for him, so I don't want to make him upset on his big day. 70 degrees right now in Reading, 67 in Pottsville. The dew points, they're in the 60s, so it is a humid air mass that we are dealing with. As I mentioned earlier, probably not a bad idea to throw on that AC for tonight and then keep it on the next couple of days because it is going to be rather humid. Satellite and radar showing really nothing over Pennsylvania right now. I think A shower or thunderstorm can't be ruled out as we get a little bit closer to daybreak on Saturday, but most locations will remain dry. Now, the national satellite and radar showing you some of that rain well off to our west. That's associated with a cold front that will eventually push into the area as we move into the second half of the weekend and into Labor Day, and that will bring more active showers and thunderstorms to our area for the second half of the weekend and for Labor Day itself. So just keep that in mind if you're doing anything outside. I think most of the activity both Sunday and Monday will come later on in the day, but you could see a shower or thunderstorm at any time during that time period, and then it could get messy if some of that moisture with Tropical Storm Lee moves up the East Coast and is affected by that cold front. As far as overnight tonight, partly cloudy with a shower or thunderstorm late, overnight low of 61 degrees. Then for Saturday, warm with a PM shower or thunderstorm in spots, a high temperature of 86 degrees. And there's a look at the 6-day extended forecast. Humid conditions Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And then it looks like we will see the temperatures drop off a bit for Tuesday and Wednesday. Now, that could be affected by Tropical Storm Lee, which is nothing to laugh about, but I guess on the desk there is.
There are often things that happen.
I'm here to applaud your effort.
A little surprise.
We are ready for
it's
some football.
Let's play.
All right.
I saw the eye black. I came right out.
Yeah, I was ready. I was ready to start off in a 3-point stance over
That's
there.
fantastic.
Oh, should have done that, yeah.
I don't know if the camera goes down.
And somebody should have come in from the side, perhaps Wendy, to tackle you.
We've talked about Henry Crush, our IT guy.
He's not a very good tackler.
Yeah, Wendy on the other hand,
Tough.
could crush you.
Yeah.